There is a lot to love about this fantastic home centrally located in a popular Alma neighborhood. The flexible floor plan features a character-filled interior that includes a separate dining room, well-proportioned bedrooms and flow-through living/dining area. There is a wood-burning fireplace, hardwood floors and a large family room. Adding to the home's charm are the large windows that fill the living room with natural light. You'll enjoy being in the tranquil fenced backyard which boasts a large wood deck and paver patio. There is lots of space for gatherings and outdoor entertaining. Do you need additional storage, workshop or entertainment space? You are sure to enjoy the options presented by the detached accessory building with over 800 square feet of finished space. This would be the perfect art studio, workshop, home office, game room or storage. A must-see throughout. Schedule your personal showing today.